Here we have a World War II German police belt and belt buckle. The belt buckle itself is aluminum with a blackened finish on top. In this example, most of the finish has worn away just through general issue and wear during the war. It's fairly obvious that it's a World War II Third Reich example, as you can see the swastika in the middle. This is an original example. Most of the buckles on the back, the actual leather tabs, are usually dated and manufactured with the manufacturer's mark. This one here is 1940. Again, nice original example of a World War II German police belt buckle.